This is the Logitech Crayon, which empowers students to write, draw, create, and learn however they do best. Crayon is ready to use with any iPad released after 2018. Just press the on button and start writing or drawing on the iPad straight away. Logitech Crayon connects to the iPad instantly with no complex pairing required. It uses Apple Pencil technology to open learning opportunities for all students. The student-friendly design lets you write, take visual notes, draw and craft illustrations. With pixel-perfect precision, enables sketching with zero perceptible lag time. Because it uses Apple technology, you encounter a familiar writing experience with palm rejection. And the Smart Tip enables tilt functionality, which adjusts the line weight when writing or sketching. To charge your crayon, you can use your standard lightning cable. The crayon has up to 7.5 hours of writing and sketching time on a single charge. It also turns off automatically after 30 minutes to save battery life. To find out more about Logitech Classroom Solutions, contact academia.